Welcome to my YouTube channel Gamaarz. Today, we get review about digital display car radio and amp phone control adapter. The digital display car radio and amp phone control adapter has transformed my driving experience, seamlessly integrating modern functionality into my car's audio system. This innovative device combines ease of use with advanced features, making it an essential upgrade for anyone looking to enhance their in-car entertainment. The standout feature of this adapter is its digital display, which brings a contemporary touch to my car's audio setup. The vibrant screen provides clear visibility of information such as radio station, track details, and incoming calls. The intuitive interface is easy to navigate, allowing me to effortlessly control various functions without distraction, ensuring a safer driving experience. The integration of phone control capabilities is a game changer. Connecting my smartphone to the adapter via Bluetooth is quick and straightforward. Once paired, I can control music playback, answer calls, and even access voice commands directly from the adapter. This hands-free functionality enhances convenience and safety on the road, minimizing distractions and allowing me to keep my focus on driving. Compatibility is a notable strength of this adapter. It works seamlessly with both Android and iOS devices, ensuring a versatile solution for users with different smartphones. The wide-ranging compatibility makes it an inclusive choice, catering to a diverse user base. Installation of the digital display car radio and amp phone control adapter is surprisingly straightforward. The adapter easily connects to my car's existing audio system, and the user-friendly setup process minimizes the need for professional installation. The included manual provides clear instructions, making it accessible for users with varying technical expertise. The adapter's radio functionality is commendable, offering a clear and reliable signal. The digital tuner ensures precise station tuning, and the ability to save presets simplifies the process of accessing my favorite channels. The seamless transition between radio and smartphone playback is a testament to the thoughtful design of this device. Durability is a key consideration for any car accessory, and the build quality of this adapter meets expectations. The sturdy construction instills confidence in its ability to withstand the rigors of daily use, including temperature variations and vibrations associated with car travel. The inclusion of additional features, such as USB ports for charging devices and support for various audio formats, adds to the overall appeal of the digital display car radio and amp phone control adapter. These features enhance its functionality and make it a comprehensive solution for upgrading an outdated car audio system. In conclusion, the digital display car radio and amp phone control adapter is a standout accessory for those seeking a modern and user-friendly upgrade to their car's audio setup. Its digital display, phone control capabilities, compatibility, easy installation, and additional features make it a versatile and valuable addition to any vehicle. This adapter has not only elevated the entertainment aspect of my car but has also contributed to a safer and more enjoyable driving experience.